This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Halloween treat box using the Stampin' Up! Little Treat Stamp Set and coordinating Little Treat Box dies. Not only are they quick and easy, but also they can be customized to other occasions as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my Halloween treat box. It's holding 2 Hershey milk chocolate bars. You could easily get in a third. On the front it says Happy Halloween. There's a little spider that has been embellished with an iridescent pearl. And on the back we have some more of that Plaid Tidings 6x6 Designer Series paper. I love this 6x6 stack because the plaid designs can be used for spring, summer, fall, or winter. And to top it off, I have some Stampin' Up! Metallic mesh ribbon. This is the Little Treat Stamp Set. Inside you have multiple images. You have a spider, Santa hat, candy, ornaments, wedding rings, there's a birthday present, there are flowers, and then a birthday banner. The sentiments include Ho 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 Merry Christmas, there's a to and from, especially for you, Happy Halloween, birthday wishes for you today, a little treat for someone sweet, and then thank you for coming. The coordinating little treat box dies includes the big die that will make your treat box, and then you have dies to die cut a wedding ring. It will die cut the birthday present in the stamp set, the Santa hat. You even have a tag die. Then you have some ornaments and a scallop circle with stitching around it, which I love. And then there's that adorable spider. Look at the detail in that. Now, before I made this treat box the traditional way, and I made some wedding favors for someone that was celebrating a wedding. This is the standard box. I had some Designer Series paper left over from celebration from a year ago, and so I used some silver metallic edge ribbon. I cutted the wedding ring in gold paper, and then I added the tag. And you can see how roomy that is. You can get all kinds of treats in here. So the box that I'm making today is a variation of this box that comes from Monica Davis. She showed how to alter the box to make it a little bit bigger, and this is what you get. All right, I have already die cut my box in basic black cardstock, and so what I'm simply going to do is go over the score lines. I'm giving them a really good crease. Okay, now I'm going to bring in that Plaid Tidings 6x6 Designer Series paper. I have 2 pieces that are cut at 1 3/4 by 2 1/4. So I'm going to glue this on each side. And I love this paper because the patterns are just bright and crisp. Then I'm going to add 4 pieces of that paper. These are 1 by 1 1/2. So I'm going to add these on all 4 flaps. Turn it this way, here, here. Turn it around this way. It's a little bit off. Let's see if I can get that centered a little bit more. Okay. And then the last one. Alright, now I'm going to use tear-in tape. I like to use tear-in tape when I'm using boxes that hold treats, so my box won't fall apart. So I'm just going to put a little piece of tear-in tape on this tab, a little piece of tear-in tape on this tab, and then I'm going to put some, let's see here, on this tab, and one more piece on this tab. All right. All right. I'll peel these off. And simply what I want to do, instead of pushing this all the way, I'm going to put it in at an angle. So there's one side. Again at an angle. There's the other side. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to repeat on the other side. Here. And what you can do, if you have the D Stampin' Up block, H Stampin' Up block, you can slide this in and this will guide you for keeping that box straight. Let's stick this in. Okay. And then I just kind of press down to make sure everything is attached. All right, now we have our little treat box. We're going to decorate. I've already used that scallop die to die cut this scallop circle, and then I used a 1 3/8 circle punch, and I've punched a circle out in pumpkin pie. I'm just going to lay this on top, and then I want to add my sentiment that says Happy Halloween. I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I'm using black Memento ink. Ooh, and see how it has some ink right there? I'm just going to turn this around and stamp it again. I pressed too hard. Okay, then I'll use a 1 1/4 circle punch. You can use the layer and circle dies to do the same thing. I just like punches because they're quick and easy. I'm just going to punch this out. And then I will use a Stampin' Dimensional to layer this on top of the pumpkin pie piece. Next, I'll add some adhesive to the back. And again, if you haven't put treats in here, that H blocks comes in very handy. I'm going to attach this to the front. Then I have the spider, and I just love the details in that spider. I'm going to use a mini dimensional. And you can put it wherever you want. Look how cute that is. And then what I want to do, these are those iridescent pearls. They're so pretty, and I like the way they shine with the multiple colors. I'm just going to take one of those pearls and embellish my spider. Take my block out. Now you can fill this. Look at all the room you have in there. Besides candy, you can put like a mini hand sanitizer, chopsticks. There are all sorts of things that'll fit in here. I'm just going to go ahead and tie it shut because I'm just using 2 pieces of Hershey chocolate. So I'm going to take that metallic mesh and run it through the hole. I like how this die will die cut this whole thing in one pass. And if you cut your paper in half, you can get 2 of these boxes from 1 sheet of cardstock. So all I'm going to do is just tie this in a bow. And look how pretty that shine is, just like that. Really pretty. There we go. See how pretty? Look at that. And then what I'll do is just trim off those ends. And then my last step is just to add some chocolate here and here. And you certainly can get a little bit more. And there you have it. You have a cute little Halloween treat box that's perfect for any kid or grown-up. If you'd like to see more of my projects, please visit me at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting or at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com, or you can find me at lisafleming.stampinup.net. You can also find me at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you for stopping by. Hope to talk to you soon. Happy stamping!